Okay, so if you need help applying for the Canada Emergency Response Benefit or CERB, then you've come to the right video. I'm going to go through each step to show you how to apply for CERB. So I have Google open right now and I'm going to type in my CRA here and click on the first link. This will get us to the My Account with the CRA, which is where we apply for this new benefit. I just made a video on how to register for my account, which is in the description box below, so go watch that if you don't have an account already. Now, before we go any further, the government has made this entire application process very simple and quick, so we'll be done with this very fast. I'm going to go ahead and click on this green button here. So the CRA is telling us that we should apply on the designated days based on your birthday month. So if you're born on April, May, or June, then you should apply today since it's a Tuesday. They set it up this way just because they don't want to overwhelm the website with so many people at once. Anyways, I'm gonna click on the green button again and choose my bank that I have online banking with. I'll put in my credentials here and sign in. And this is how the home page is gonna look like once you log in. They have this giant banner here that says Canada Emergency Response Benefit, so I will click on apply. Now, this screen explains if we're eligible for the CERB or not. Obviously, you have to live in Canada to get it. You got to be 15 years old or older, but the important one is this one right here. This one is saying that if you won't be bringing home any income for 14 straight days in between March 15th and April 11th due to COVID-19, then you can apply. But you also can't just quit your job voluntarily. Like if you're an Uber driver and you decide to stay home, then that's your choice. So that doesn't really count. Uber hasn't stopped its operations. And the next one here is that if you have made at least $5,000 in the last 12 months or in 2019, then you will be eligible for the CERB. If you answered yes to these requirements, then you can go ahead and continue. But if you don't meet the requirements and you still decide to apply, just make sure you know that the CRA is going to come after you for the $2,000. So just be prepared to provide any sort of proof if they ask you. So we'll select this period here because it's the first payment, and then we can press next. Now, this screen is just going to ask us to confirm if we meet the requirements, and obviously, yes, we do. So I'm going to click on yes, and then I'm going to press next. This screen, they're just going to verify your direct deposit information. If you don't have direct deposit, then they'll send you a check in the mail. My information is correct here with all the direct deposit stuff. So I'm going to press confirm and then press submit. And that's it. I told you it was super easy to do. If you have direct deposit, then you'll see your money in your bank account within 3 business days. If they mail you a check, then it will take about 5 to 10 business days, but you will get your $2,000 for the month. So if this video helped you apply for the Canada Emergency Response Benefit, then please share it with friends and family that could use it too. Press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos coming soon. See you in the next one.